Good morning! Nandito kami sa church ngayon, Sunday. We will attend our 9 a.m. service. Actually, it's 9:30. It's just early. So, I want to show you guys our church. Morning.
Morning.
Hi, morning. Happy. Say hi.
To open our hearts and minds to learn something new. To let go of our comfortable living to reach the searching, the broken, the hurting. To focus on what we
There
have.
she
To band
is.
together and fight against the darkness. A vision to be the church Jesus called us to be. This isn't just a church. Eastside is a movement of people who gather together with Jesus declaring, this is for everyone.
Well, hey everybody, welcome to Fall Kickoff Weekend in Eastside. I'm Dean, one of the pastors around here. And if you're new, you may not be aware that we're one church, but we meet in multiple locations in 3 different states and online, all over the country and all over the world. So help me give a great big Fall Kickoff welcome today to all of our Eastside family in Bellflower, Redlands, Anaheim, Park Rapids, online. Still celebrating their grand opening month Eastside Las Vegas. I've had the privilege to be at every one of our campuses the past few weeks for campus rallies, except one, and that's about to change.
Nothing compares to this.